Defense departments around the world rely heavily on rapid access to digital data for military and intelligence operations in hostile environments. In the modern age, with counterterrorism and cybersecurity at the forefront of military operations, the ability to identify potential threats is critical. Our range of products can deliver in even the toughest environments. Our team consists of former military service members who know what it takes to be successful. The MSAB field version has been chosen by military special operation units from a variety of democratic countries around the world. I have used XRY in other systems, both in tactical and strategic commands, and find XRY has many advantages over the competition. It's an easy choice if one has tested for themselves the abilities of each system as I have. U.S. Department of Defense, United States. When the time pressure is on and results are critical, you need solutions that you can rely on. Choose MSAB for your real-time frontline special operations.